Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for April 13, 2020. Today we're looking at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. We're looking here at the daily time frame. We have really four different trends I want to recognize here. Of course, the black trend line, the downtrend, significant fall here for the euro. The blue trend line, a little bit of significant retracement of that black trend line, rising from all the way down here into the mid 106s, back up into the mid 111s. So pretty healthy rise there. Retracement of that along the red trend line, pressuring back down. And then last week we saw the market moving back up against this short black trend line here on the right hand side. And so that's the direction, at least, that I think we want to focus in on here early at the week. In the week, we do still have bank holiday mode still going on. Let me just switch over to the news calendar real quick. You can see right here, yesterday, Sunday, this is all Eastern U.S. time, Sunday, April 12, New Zealand, Australia bank holiday, Franc, Euro, Pound, Canadian bank holidays still happening from the Easter weekend. So limited liquidity right now, is less traders in the market. You can see really the next significant news doesn't happen till 6:45 p.m. Eastern U.S. time, with some news out of New Zealand. So most of the day today, lower liquidity, less traders in the market, still in bank holiday mode. Back to the chart and the euro dollar, we have been moving up most of last week, and now we're just kind of stuck between the green and blue zone here. Let's go ahead and zoom it on down to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see what's happening right here. We're kind of stuck between the blue zone as resistance, that's 109.50, 109.65. The green zone support, 109.25, 109.15. And as long as it's above that green zone, I think we want to continue to focus our efforts in the direction of the black trend line. And really the reason we do that is because of what we saw right here. Bouncing around between the orange and the purple zone within the rising trend, found support and eventually broke out and made a new high. And so with that pattern, we look at it right here and we say, well, as long as it stays above the green zone, 109.25.15, we focus on the direction of the trend. So as it dips down here, we look for price action, we look for information, we look for the correct entry timing, potentially to go long, lower risk. The risk right now is that it breaks underneath that green zone, black trend line, and goes lower. We don't know what the week will hold. We don't know how the market today will handle the continued bank holidays that are going to be here today and lower liquidities. So caution is still advised as we go through this Monday and maybe even tomorrow, Tuesday, as the market wakes back up. What will the dollar do? Will the dollar continue to go up or down? What will the euro do? Will it go up or down? As we wait for direction, I think we don't want to sell it right now. I think selling into the green zone, top of the black trend line, just doesn't make a whole heck of a lot of sense for us today. So Fibonacci of the red trend line, top to bottom of that red trend, puts the 382 Fibonacci retracement level at 109.13. Happens to be the bottom of our green zone. So that's a good clue too, that we're above the 382 of the red trend line. That's support, and we don't want to sell into support. More likely looking for a buy scenario back to the blue zone or higher. Of course, if it breaks the blue zone, we'd look for it to continue the rising trend here for the euro dollar. We do, of course, have the bank holiday to contend with today, though. So stop loss under the green zone if you decide to buy above the 382 of the red trend line. Let's take one more fib from the low to our most recent high, our last 4-hour period, and that in fact puts the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level right here at the green zone. 382 of that range sits down here at the orange shaded area, and of course if it breaks higher, 618 of the red trend line sits up here just above the pink shaded area. So all in all the technical indicators right now are telling us don't sell it right now. More likely you would buy it, keeping in mind the lower liquidity from the bank holidays, waiting for the traders to return to the market today and tomorrow from the holiday weekend, waiting for liquidity, watching for timing, and a reasonable expectation of support here at the green shaded area for the euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.